Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 23rd November 2025. Title of Murli. In the new year, become an endless, great donor, endlessly free from obstacles, an endless yogi and an embodiment of success for all time. Bap Dada said, all of you Brahmins are instruments for transforming the souls of the entire world. You are the foundation of the world, you are its ancestors and its revered ones. Therefore, reflect on what newness you will bring within yourselves. How will you spread elevated vibrations this year through your noble attitude? Baba says that you are souls who have conquered nature, therefore, even for a short time, you must enable other souls to experience peace and comfort. For this, make the best use of all the treasures you have received and become an embodiment of success. Let not even a single second be wasted. Now, make every breath, every thought, every power, and every virtue meaningful. Further, Baba said, when you make your breaths fruitful here, the consequence of this will be a future life filled with good health. Likewise, by making the treasure of knowledge fruitful, you become so wise and powerful in your kingdom that you will have no need to seek advice from any minister. In conclusion, Baba said, you have indeed become great donors, but now you must become eternal great donors. And from today onward, start checking your daily chart, how much success was achieved and how much was wasted. The more alert you remain and the more accurately you follow, the sooner carelessness will end. Blessing for today. May you put a garland of virtues around those who defame you and become a special deity and a great soul. Details are: nowadays, when a special soul is welcomed, a physical garland is put around his neck and, in return, he takes it off and puts it on the person who garlanded him. In the same way, garland with a garland of virtues anyone who defames you, and that person will automatically return the garland of virtues to you. This is because to put a garland of virtues on someone who causes you defamation guarantees that he becomes a devotee of yours for birth after birth. This giving is really receiving many times over. This speciality makes you into a special deity and a great soul. Slogan is, make the attitude of your mind constantly powerful, and even something that has gone bad will then become good. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. No matter how much of a tug of war there may be between the tasks to be carried out, even if your intellect is very busy doing service, try being bodiless at such a time. Real service can never be a bondage because a yogyukt and yuktyukt server remains constantly beyond while doing service. It isn't that you are unable to become bodiless because there is too much service to do. Remember that it is not your service but that the Father has given it to you to do, and you will then remain free from any bondage.